What's going on, guys? It's Queasy Dog here, and in today's video we're going to do a quick unboxing of this little guy here. Now, this is a curious little box that was sent over from Pitaka, and right away it grabbed my attention because honestly, aesthetically, it's very pleasing, it's very nice. So I wanted to take you guys through a rogue unboxing. Now, I already tore that off because I tried this once before and I couldn't figure out how to get in this guy here. And I ended up figuring it out off camera. For some reason, you have to hold it upside down, twist it. Let's get this guy out of the way. And this should open up. So, inside we're met by Pitaka. And let's take a look here, this little card. So this is the little card that was inside. And it feels like there's some stuff in here. So let's go ahead and let's take a look. So little thank you card, always awesome when those guys are in there, nothing written on the back. Another little thank you in here as well, plenty of thanks being had. And inside this, we have just some information about the accessories. I don't want to spoil what's in there, so that's off to the side. And then this guy here, I think is probably one and the same. Let's take a look here. Yeah, so this is just more information about their products and whatnot, so off to the side we go, and I guess let's just start breaking into this box. Oh wow, that's really cool. Hopefully I can get this in frame. I have a tripod like right here, so it's really hard to get all this in, but we have a lot of little kind of compartments here, and this is like a super cool, it's almost like a jewelry box the way that it opens up. So the first thing that we're going to take a look at is this beautiful case right here. Now, for those of you who are unfamiliar with Pitaka, they have some of the slimmest cases I have ever seen. And I'm wondering, I've got an iPhone 12 Pro. I wonder if this is for the iPhone 12. I know a lot of people moved on to the 13, and let's take a look. Here is my 12 Pro, and wow, yep. So this is definitely for a Pro Max, so I won't be using that case, but for the rest of this video, I guess I'm just gonna leave this guy bog standard because there may be some other goodies in here that we can use with this phone. So let's actually jump over to this side here. And in here, we have this curious little guy here. So this is on a turntable. If I can grab, oh, it's a little ratchet turntable too. That's super awesome. Now this guy here looks like it has USB-C right there, so a goodie probably inserts in. We've got that little turntable here, and there's a USB-C on the side. I wonder what that's about. And then it looks like that has wireless charging. So let's set that guy down. Let's move over to this side yet again. We got this little box here. And if we open this guy up, this one got a little crushed, but that's okay. In here we have some silica gel. Interesting. What is this curious little guy? I am so intrigued by this little package. I want to know what all of this stuff does. And then we have a USB-C to C in here. Let's go ahead, let's move on to the next one. And what is this little guy? So this matches the case, which is super cool. And it looks like this is wireless charging. So that's a MagSafe, looks like a MagSafe battery. Now I like this battery, one, because it's USB-C, and honestly, not enough accessories in the modern day are USB-C. This is super small. I'm gonna take this off camera for a second, and I wanna take a look. We have 5 volt, 2 amp. Doesn't say what the milliampage is on it, but that's definitely a power bank for sure. So if I grab my phone, bring this back into frame, that will just, ooh, that's got a nice little soft touch to it too. I like that a lot. Yeah, that's super soft. Ooh, listen to that magnet. I am liking that a lot. So that is a little MagSafe adapter. Do we have anything else in here? That looks like it's the bottom. Now, what I'm wondering, so we have, I think I'm getting the gist of what is going on here. So here is the phone. Here is the MagSafe battery bank. And then if we take that and we take this little stand here, yes. So it actually converts this little stand into a MagSafe charger, which is amazing. That's so cool. And then that's just gonna go right on the back. And then you know what? If you're not fully charged, all you do is take the whole darn thing with you. And that gives you a battery bank too. That's so cool. I like that a lot. Now, if I set this down, what is this little guy, I wonder? So is it just a shim? Does it do? Oh, so there's a magnet in this. Ah, you know what that's for? Shoot, I don't have them on me. That is for a set of AirPods. So a little magnetic shelf, and that aligns with the magnetic charger there, and that gives you the ability to charge some headphones. I wonder, is there anything else in here? I don't think. Oh my God. Let's move this guy. There's a little hidden drawer here. This is so cool. It's like a puzzle. And we have this little guy here. So this looks like it's for a watch. Let's take a look. Yep. So that is a watch charger. And oh, you know what? Set this watch down for a second. So you take this little guy here, and I just felt that it has a little magnetic USB-C, and this, oh, that's so cool. So that's gonna go on there, and that allows you to charge your watch. How cool is that? So we've got a watch charger. Where's that battery bank? Where did I put that? Still on my phone. You've got this guy here, so that's gonna charge your phone, that's gonna charge your watch, and then on the back, that's gonna charge your AirPods. Dude, so where's this plug in? Take that off for a second. That's your little turntable. Ooh. Do I wanna set that down? Oh yeah, that's sticky, that's cool. So, I just don't know. Oh, I wonder, does this do, boop, does this charge everything? I don't think that battery bank has any power, so it's not gonna do anything with my watch. But that is super cool. I am left with a ton of mess, but this is like a little modular, so that's your battery bank there. You've got your little magnetic shelf right here, and that goes right on the back like we talked about before. This is like a, what is it, Chris Ramsey? Like a Chris Ramsey puzzle? What's going on, guys? I'm editing this video right now, but I wanted to make note and bring your attention to just an extra little detail that I thought was super cool. So this is that Pitaka box. Of course, we saw this at the start of the unboxing, and I was flipping it upside down and turning it to open it, but I realized that you can take anything MagSafe, so here's that battery bank that we talked about before, and all you have to do is place it on top of this turntable, rotate it, and it opens up. How flipping cool is that? And then of course you can just shut it, spin it with the MagSafe, and now it's completely sealed. You can't get into that, you can't open it. Let's see if I can do this on camera. Find the magnet, give it a spin, and then it opens. That is so cool. So I will definitely be reusing this box, but that is so cool. And if you're worried that, hey, I don't have the MagSafe stuff because it's inside the box, well, you get a phone, hopefully, that has MagSafe, or else you wouldn't have bought this darn thing. And you could use your phone's magnet, and you could open this up all the same. That's so cool. Back to the video. And then I like that this is like semi-transparent. It just looks super cool. And these are hard to get. It's hard to find a good wireless watch charger. So it's really cool that Pitaka has that option. So, hey guys, still editing. And again, I've seen some cool stuff crop up kind of in my mind and just experimenting with these things that I didn't cover in this video. So again, while it's fresh in my mind, while I'm editing to save a second video, this guy here, the Pitaka magnet, so this has been on the back of my device for the better part of today anyway. But one thing that I didn't realize that I thought was super cool is this guy right here. So that's that wireless charger. All you have to do, I thought this USB-C was just an inlet, but it actually is omnidirectional. So you can put that on the power bank, put your watch on there, and look at this. That is charging the watch. So that's why, because I was wondering if this only worked with the actual kit, why did it have like a cap on it like this? This is like super portable. Leave this in your pocket because the watch battery, let's face it, is not very good. You uncap it, you take your battery bank, you put this on the bottom, and boom. Now, once this connects, you can charge. And this is like all in your pocket when you're done with it. Boom. Put that there, put the cap on it. This guy here goes right on your phone. They thought of everything. That's so cool. This has way more purposes than I thought it did, but that's enough time wasting. Back to the edit. This was probably the coolest unboxing experience I've had. We've got tons and tons of accessories in this little kit. And again, the case, which is right here, ultra slim. They're still really durable. I'm gonna put links to this in the video description as well if you guys wanna check it out. I'm sure they probably have one of these cases for my phone, but with the 14 right around the corner, I'm sure I'll probably just be upgrading. The 12 is a little outlived anyway, but really cool. That's a nice feeling case. That's carbon fiber as well. But that was just a little rogue unboxing, ladies and gentlemen, of this awesome little kind of press kit. I think these kits are completely available for purchase as well. So definitely take a look for yourself. I'm gonna clean up all of this aftermath here off camera, but if you like this video and you like this rogue little unboxing where we just jump in and get some first impressions together, definitely leave a like and let me know in the comments if this is something that you might be looking into getting for yourself. Until my next video, my name is Quasi Dog. You guys have been awesome, and we'll catch you all in my next one. Take care.